As car enthusiasts, driving means more to us than just getting from point A to point B. Every drive is an adventure, an opportunity to meet new people, to see new places, to experience your car. That was the premise of the 2023 Touring Trophy. With the sun blazing beautifully above us, the weekend was off to a perfect start at the garage of Spa Racing. A group breakfast gave us all the chance to reconnect, load up our batteries and enjoy each other's cars. Soon enough though, we had to get ready for the first stint. It was time to stop enjoying the morning sun and get going. Gentlemen, start your engines. The first drive of the weekend took us to Saint-Hubert, where we enjoyed lunch at Val de Poix. With everyone in good spirits, having a drink and some food can do no harm. The cars meanwhile deserved some rest too, after a good 2 hours of tackling turn after turn. When it was time to venture onwards, we got back into our cars with the destination set for the absolutely stunning Château Fort de Sedan, which would also provide our overnight stay. This being the largest fortified castle in Europe, we were greeted with quite a sight upon our arrival. This edition of the Touring Trophy was aptly called Castle Run. On top of our drive to and from the epic castle of Sedan, we passed no less than 13 other castles over the course of the weekend. However, right now, as the evening fell, it was time to have dinner and end the day just like we started it, with some good food. As Sunday morning came around the corner, it was yet again hard to deny the epic sight that was in front of us. We stayed on the castle's grounds for as long as we could, talking to each other, preparing our cars, and most of all, enjoying what was going to be another day of fantastic weather. However, it wasn't long before the roads called for our departure, and soon we were on our way once again. In our last drive together, the convoy headed through the beautiful hills surrounding Bouillon. The weekend had already been no less than perfect, with constant sunshine, good food and good friends. However, blowing off some steam on twisty roads after a good night's sleep is after all the name and the game of the Touring Trophy. The Auberge de Prévost provided a delicious and traditional Ardennes lunch at a very traditional Ardennes location. This was truly the perfect way to round up the road trip, and what a trip it had been. We would like to express our utmost gratitude to everyone who participated and made this an unforgettable weekend. If you would like to experience a Touring Trophy event for yourself, then head over to retroschaft.com/events and sign up to be the first to know when a new road trip is announced. We would be honored to take you and your car on a truly fantastic journey. We'll see you at the starting lines of the next Touring Trophy.